Okay, hi guys. This is the last class for the carboxylic acids. This is the last class and the last video. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about the chemical properties. Chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Already we discussed the acidity of carboxylic acid. The acidity of carboxylic acid is over. The acidity of carboxylic acid is over. Then we go for the second one, cleavage of CO bond. Cleavage of CO bond. Cleavage of the reactions which are involved for the cleavage of COH reactions. COH cleavage. Okay, first one formation of anhydride. Formation of anhydride. That is acetic acid or carboxylic acids. Two molecules of carboxylic acids which are undergoes dehydration. In presence of mineral acids. In presence of mineral acids like HCl or H2SO4. HCl or H2SO4 or that is phosphorus pentoxide. In presence of phosphorus pentoxide, here there is a removal of water molecule. That is removal of water molecule. Anhydride. The name itself that is denotes the anhydride. N means removal. Hydride means water molecule. Removal of water molecule. Therefore, what is the remaining? R C double bond O C double bond O R. That is R C double bond O C double bond O R. That is anhydride. That is what is that? Anhydride. That is anhydride. Therefore, see one example. That is acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH and another molecule of acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH. They are that is in presence of mineral acids or P2O5 phosphorus pentoxide. Here also removal of water molecule. What is the remaining? CH3 C double bond O C double bond O C2H5. Sorry, OC double bond O. That is CH3. CH3. That is what is that? Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Why it is acetic anhydride? The anhydride removal of water molecule from the two molecules of acetic acid. Acetic acid. That's why that is called as acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. This is the formation of anhydride. And second one, that is formation of acid halide. Formation of what is that? Acid halide or acid chlorides. Formation of acid halides or acid chlorides. That means reacting with PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. That is the thionyl chloride. SOCl2, that is thionyl chloride. Therefore, when carboxylic acids which are reacting with the PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Here the chloride replaces the OH group. What is the remaining? RC double bond O Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. POCl3 plus HCl takes place. Here the chloride which are replaced the what is that? OH group. Which are replaced the OH group. Formation of what is that? Acid halide or acid chloride. Acid halide or acid chloride. And that is the carboxylic acid which is reacting with PCl3. That is here three molecules of carboxylic acid participate in the reaction. Therefore, here also three molecules of acid halide or acid chloride formation of three molecules of acid chloride takes place. Then H3PO3 formation of phosphorus acid. phosphorus acid takes place. Then that is reacting with RCOOH plus thionyl chloride SOCl2. Thionyl chloride here also that is the formation of that is acid chloride and removal of SO2 and what is that H2. SO2 and HCl, not H2O, that is HCl. Okay, therefore in every reaction formation of what is that acid halide. Acid halide. Okay, this is the what is that formation of anhydride, formation of acid halide reacting with the PCl5, PCl3 and thionyl chloride SOCl2. Then we go for that is reaction with formation of that is amides. Formation of what is that amides. Next, formation of amides. Formation of amides. Then carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, first of all, reacting with ammonia. First of all, reacting with ammonia. Therefore, what happened? First, formation of when reacting with ammonia, formation of ammonium salt takes place. Formation of what is that? Ammonium salt takes place. Ammonium salt takes place. Later, this ammonium salt, which is ammonium salt, that is introduced into the heating at a high temperature, undergoes a reaction. That means removal of water molecule takes place. Removal of water molecule takes place. The remaining, that is what is that? RC double bond O NH2. That is amide. Formation of amide takes place. First of all, ammonium salt, formation of ammonium salt takes place. Later, it introduced into the, that is very high heating, a high temperature. Then formation of what is that? Amides takes place. Amides takes place. Then, one example, that is benzoic acid. When benzoic acid reacting with amide, here also, first of all, formation of what is that? Formation of that is ammonium. Formation of ammonium ion takes place. Later, it is undergoes a heating, removal of water molecule. Formation of what is that? That is benzamide takes place. Formation of benzamide. Formation of what is that? Benzamide takes place. Benzamide takes place. And that is phthalimide. That is phthalimide participate in the reaction. Phthalimide participate in the reaction. Therefore, reacting with ammonia. That means phthalimide means two COH groups are ortho to each other, are adjacent to each other. Two COH groups are adjacent to each other. They are reacting with ammonia. First of all, formation of same, that is what is that? Ammonium salt. What is that? Ammonium salt takes place. Ammonium salt takes place. Later, they are that is undergoes heating. What is that? Formation of amide takes place. C double bond O NH2 and C double bond O NH2. Therefore, when two amide groups, two C double bond NH2 amide groups adjacent to each other, in that case, what is that? Immediately removal of ammonia from that two amide groups. Removal of ammonia. What is that? Formation of phthalimide takes place. C double bond O NH C double bond O NH. What is this? Removal of the final product is phthalimide. Final product is phthalimide. Okay, very important reaction. Phthalimide. Okay, very important reaction. This is the formation of amides. Then we go for formation of esters. And we go for in the cleavage of CO bond, formation of esters, very important reaction. That is also very important reaction. Formation of what is that? Esters. Formation of esters. When that is carboxylic acids. carboxylic acids reacting with alcohol. Carboxylic acid reacting with alcohol in presence of acidic medium. In presence of acidic medium, what is that? The product is formation of esters takes place. Formation of esters takes place and removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. Here, that is OH from the carboxylic acid, hydrogen from the alcohol. Therefore, removal of water molecule like this. Removal of water molecule like this. What is the mechanism involved in this reaction? The mechanism involved in this reaction is, first of all, that is esters undergoes acidification or protonation. Therefore, what is that? That is undergoes protonation or C, that is a double bond O plus hydrogen, O plus hydrogen, and remaining what is that? OH. Remaining OH. Later, that is attacking of that is alcohol or nucleophile. Attacking of alcohol nucleophile, O nucleophile, OH nucleophile, that is attacking on the carbonyl carboxylic carbon. Automatically, the bond shifted towards oxygen side. Therefore, already positive charge is there. Therefore, upcoming, that is negative charge, it neutralizes the positive charge. Neutralizes the positive charge. Therefore, what is the remaining? The remaining group is formation of what is that? RCOH, and here also one OH group is there. What is that? Here O and what is that? Hydrogen proton, and R here loss of what is that? One lone pair of electron, remaining another lone pair of electron is present. Later, that is here proton transfer takes place. Here proton transfer from this oxygen to this oxygen. Therefore, proton transfer takes place. What is that? That is COH, and that is OH. That is the positive charge and attached with one more proton. What is the remaining? ROR. Okay, here that is the proton transfer. Proton transfer. Okay, later what happened? That is here lone pair of electrons participate in the reaction and removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. Therefore, what is that? R, that is C double bond OH positive charge. Why? It loses the lone pair of electron. Lone pair of electron. That's why that is OR. That is O, or later it loses one H plus ion. H plus ion. Therefore, what is the remaining? RC double bond O, OR. RC double bond O, R. This is the mechanism for, that is, esterification reaction. First of all, therefore, esters undergoes protonation. Formation of this product takes place. Later, that is the alcohols, that is attacking on the carboxylic carbon. Therefore, formation of this product takes place. After this, proton transfer from this oxygen to, that is the carboxylic group oxygen. Later, that is formation of this group. After that, finally, removal of water molecule. Formation of what is that? The esters takes place. Formation of what is that? Esters takes place. This is the esters mechanism, esterification mechanism. Okay, these are the, that is CO cleavage involved reactions. Then that is COH, entire COH participate the reaction. Entire COH, that is involved in the reaction. What are the reactions which are involved in the entire COH participate in the reaction? First of all, what is that? A reduction reaction. That is a reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. What is that? When carboxylic acids undergoes the reduction, undergoes what is that? Reduction in presence of that is LiAlH4, lithium aluminium hydride, or diborane, or what is that? Diborane. Therefore, formation of primary alcohols takes place. Formation of what is that? Primary alcohols takes place. Formation of primary alcohols takes place. This is the reduction reaction. Okay. Therefore, this reaction not given by the sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride not gives this reaction. Not gives this reaction. Okay. This is the reduction reaction. When that is the carboxylic acids undergoes the reduction, or that is undergoes reduction means what is that? Removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen from the, that is carboxylic acid, formation of what is that? Primary alcohols takes place. Primary alcohols takes place, or addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. That is called as reduction. Therefore, carboxylic acid reduced to primary alcohols. Primary alcohols. Just one example: CH3 C double bond OH, acetic acid undergoes reduction, formation of CH3 CH2 OH, primary alcohol. What is that? Ethanol. What is that? Ethanol. What is that? This is acetic acid. Acetic acid undergoes reduction in presence of reducing agents, formation of ethanol takes place. Another important reaction, that is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. D means that is the removal. D means what is that? Removal. Decarboxylation means removal of CO2. Removal of what is that? CO2. Removal of CO2. Therefore, that is sodium salt of carboxylic acids. Salt of carboxylic acids that is reacting with soda lime. Reacting with soda lime. NaOH, CaO. The mixture of sodium hydroxide and that is CaO. Therefore, that is the soda lime. Therefore, what is that? Formation of removal of what is that? CO2. Removal of CO2 and what is that? Remaining carboxylation. Therefore, RC double bond O Na. Therefore, here removal of Na to CO3 takes place. Removal of Na to CO3 takes place. What is the remaining? RH. Formation of hydrocarbons takes place. Formation of what is that? Hydrocarbon takes place. Na to CO3. Removal of sodium carbonate. Formation of what is that? Hydrocarbons takes place. When another example, CH3 C double bond O Na. That is C double bond O Na. That is acetate, sodium acetate. Sodium acetate when it is reacting with that is NaOH and CaO. NaOH and CaO. Soda lime. What happened? Therefore, here also that is Na to CO3. Removal of Na to CO3 takes place. What is the remaining? That is CH4. Methane takes place and removal of Na to CO3. Na to CO3. Another important reaction which is here involved in decarboxylation is when that is two molecules of that is salt of carboxylic acid. Two molecules of salt of carboxylic acid undergoes reduction. Two molecules of salt of carboxylate ion undergoes reduction and it is reacting with water. Reacting with water. Water, it is writing like this: OH and hydrogen. OH and hydrogen. Maybe you can put a quote in the rest of the RC double bond O Na. RC double bond O Na. Sodium salt of carboxylate ion. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid when it undergoes electrolysis. Electrolysis is nothing but that is reacting with water. Undergoes what is that? Electrolysis. Undergoes electrolysis. Formation of what is that? Hydrocarbons takes place. RR. Hydrocarbons takes place and removal of CO2. And removal of CO2 and NaOH plus hydrogen. NaOH plus hydrogen. Simple. Therefore, bond breaking here. RR and bond breaking here. CO2. Two molecules of CO2. Bond breaking here. NaOH and H2. Therefore, what is that? NaOH. This reaction is called as Kolbe electrolysis. Kolbe electrolysis. Kolbe electrolysis. The reaction is called as Kolbe electrolysis. Very, very important reaction. Two molecules of carboxylic acids, salt of carboxylic acids undergoes electrolysis. Formation of hydrocarbons takes place. Hydrocarbons takes place and removal of what is that? Carbon, that is CO2, carbon dioxide, NaOH and H2. NaOH and H2. That is the COH involved reactions. Finally, that is the substitution reactions of carboxylic acids. Only two reactions are there. Just to see. Substitution reactions of carboxylic acids. Substitution reactions of carboxylic acids. Substitution reactions of carboxylic acid. First one, alpha carbon containing carboxylic acids. Alpha carbon containing carboxylic acid. When carboxylic acids undergoes reacting with that is halides. Reacting with the halides in presence of a small amount of red phosphorus. Small amount of red phosphorus. Here, that is the halide. The halide, it is replaced the alpha hydrogen or substituted the alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen. Therefore, that is the hydrogen is substituted by hydrogen halide group. Therefore, R, C, X, CHX and COOH. Therefore, alpha hydrogen substituted by halide. Therefore, alpha halo carboxylic acids takes place. Alpha halo, that is the carboxylic acids takes place. This is the example for substitution reaction. When that is CH3COOH, acetic acid. Acetic acid undergoes reaction in presence of red phosphorus. Undergoes reacting with the Cl. Okay. Therefore, alpha chloro acetic acid takes place. Chlorine or bromine. Alpha chloroacetic acid takes place. What is the remaining? Remaining is HCl. Remaining is what is that? HCl. Okay. This is that is with red phosphorus. Okay, substitution. And the second example is electrophilic substitution. Second example is electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution. When aromatic carboxylic acids that is undergoes that is electrophilic substitution with concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4 mixture. Concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4 mixture. What is the electrophile here? NO2 plus is the electrophile. Formation of what is that? Meta-nitro, that is the benzoic acid. Meta-nitro benzoic acid. Meta-nitro benzoic acid takes place. Why meta-nitro? Therefore, the COH group is the deactivating group. COH group is the deactivating group and meta-directing group. Deactivating group and meta-directing group. That's why it allows the electrophile at meta position. Allows the electrophile at meta position. That's why that is formation of meta-nitro benzoic acid takes place. When benzoic acid reacting with bromine in presence of Lewis acid, that is FeBr3. Lewis acid FeBr3. Therefore, formation of what is that? That is meta-bromo. That is benzoic acid takes place. Meta-bromo benzoic acid and removal of HBr. Removal of what is that? HBr. Okay. Meta-bromo benzoic acid takes place. Here, one more point we are observed here, that is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Benzoic acid not participate in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Not participate in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Why? Why Friedel-Crafts alkylation not participate in the Benedict case not participate in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation? Because what is that? COOH group is that is deactivating group. COOH group is the deactivating group. And one more important point is in presence of AlCl3 only Friedel-Crafts reaction takes place. In presence of Lewis acid, AlCl3 only Friedel-Crafts reaction takes place. That AlCl3 having a possibility to forms bond with that is carboxylic acid. Having a that is possibility to formation of bond with the COOH. That's why Friedel-Crafts alkylation does not take place. Does not take place. These are the reactions which are involved in the what is that carboxylic acid chemical properties. Okay. This is the entire chapter of carboxylic acid. Thank you.